Actually, cyclotron means it is an instrument. Very important concept. Look here now. Cyclotron is a instrument. What is the use of this instrument? Cyclotron is an instrument. This instrument always used to accelerate the charged particle. Once again I repeat, cyclotron, it is a device. What is the use of this device? To accelerate the charged particle. అంటే సింపుల్గా చార్జ్డ్ పార్టికల్ స్పీడ్ని ఏం చేస్తుంది అంటే ఇంక్రీజు. వన్స్ అగైన్ ఐ రిపీట్, what is the use of cyclotron? Cyclotron is a device. It is always used to accelerate the charged particle. That means to increase the speed of the charged particle. Okay, look here now. In the cyclotron consists of two D's. Look here. Cyclotron consists of two D's. Look here. These two D's are made of metals. ఎందుకు మెటల్స్ అంటే ఇన్సైడ్ వి షీల్డ్ లాగా యాక్ట్ అవుతాయి. అంటే ఇన్సైడ్ నో ఎలక్ట్రికల్ ఫీల్డ్, నో మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్ యాక్ట్. వన్స్ అగైన్ ఐ రిపీట్, here cyclotron consists of two D's or two semicircular arcs are placed opposite. Okay, a small gap between them. Here then whose charged particle is accelerated, that is placed here. For example, charged particle name proton, OR, deuteron, OR, alpha particle, whose particle is accelerated, that is placed between the two D's. Here none. For example, నేను proton తీసుకున్నాను. ఈ two D's కి it is connected to the oscillator. Oscillator means it always produce the varying electrical field. It can be explained next. Okay, what is the use of oscillator? It always produce the varying electrical field. అదేంటి సార్ అంటే చెప్తా. ఈ టూ డీస్ని దేంతో తయారవుతాయి? మెటల్స్. ఈ టూ డీస్ని ఏదో ఫీల్డ్లో పెట్టాను, మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్. ఓకే, యూనిఫామ్ మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్. లుక్ హియర్. ఇప్పుడు నాకు ఆసిలేటర్ అంటే ఏ ఫీల్డ్ ఇస్తుంది? ఎలక్ట్రికల్ ఫీల్డ్. ఇట్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ ద బ్యాటరీ ప్లస్ మైనస్. దిస్ పాజిటివ్ ప్రోటాన్ ఏం చేస్తుంది? రిపెల్. ఎందుకు అంటే ప్రోటాన్ ఈజ్ ఏ పాజిటివ్ ఛార్జ్. దిస్ నెగటివ్ ఏం చేస్తుంది? అట్రాక్ట్. దట్స్ వై ఇదిగోనా ఎట్లా వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. ఇక్కడ ఎప్పుడైతే ఇది ఆఫ్ రివల్యుయేషన్ చేసిందో, ఈ ఆసిలేటర్ ఈజ్ ఏ వేరియింగ్ ఎలక్ట్రికల్ ఫీల్డ్. దట్ మీన్స్ మైనస్ బికమ్స్ ఏమవుతుంది అంటే ప్లస్ బికమ్స్ ఏమవుతుంది అంటే మైనస్. బికాస్ ఆఫ్ మైనస్ ప్రోటాన్ ఏం చేస్తుంది? అట్రాక్ట్. ఎక్కడ కొరంగానే అగైన్ ఇట్ ఎవ్రీ ఆఫ్ రివల్యుయేషన్ ఇట్స్ వేరియింగ్ ఫీల్డ్, ఎలక్ట్రికల్ ఫీల్డ్ చేంజ్. మైనస్ ప్లస్ వాట్? మైనస్. అగైన్ పాజిటివ్ రిపెల్. ఇలానా బికాస్ ఆఫ్ వేరియింగ్ ఎలక్ట్రికల్ ఫీల్డ్ proton moving. We know that this charge moving perpendicular to field. What is the radius of the circular path formula? mv/qb. In the weekend, all weekend idega manam chesindi. Charge moving perpendicular to magnetic field. Radius formula mv/qb. Here radius of the arc increases automatically according to formula. Radius increases, speed of the charged particle also increases. Look here now. Speed of the charged particle also increases. Simply its speed increase, it will be moving more speed nana. Ikkadedo pedtaru, that is called nucleus. Nucleus ni high speed tho vachi bombard nana. So here nucleus is disintegrate. Simply nucleus is split. That means what is the use of cyclotron? Cyclotron are mainly used to disintegrate the nucleus. Okay, once again I repeat nana. Cyclotron consists of two D's nana. This is one D, this is another D. Both are arranged opposite to each other. Small gap is placed. These two D's are placed in uniform magnetic field and two D's are connected to the oscillator. Oscillator means every half revolution its electrical field vary. Initially plus minus. Half revolution came minus plus. Next plus minus. And that means its plus minus will be vary. Here I take a small example. Proton is placed. Because of repulsion, it moving. Again, it attraction. Every half revolution minus becomes plus. Because of revolution, it is moving. According to this concept, what is the radius of the circular path? R equal to mv by qb. In the situation, radius of the charged particle increase, speed of the charged particle increase, it have more speed comes out and bombard to the nucleus. In the situation, nucleus is split. What is the main usage of cyclotron? Here cyclotron are mainly used to bombard the nucleus. Look here. Magnetic force will be converted into centripetal force. What is the magnetic force? BQV, charged particle. Centripetal force mv square by r. Here v cancel. Radius of the circular path formula is mv by qb. Here mass into velocity is called linear momentum. Linear momentum formula is qbr. Second equation. What is the angular momentum? Angular momentum and linear momentum relation is rp. Here right. Okay, rp. Okay, rp. Okay, angular momentum formula is rp. Next again what is the angular frequency formula? V by r. Here V is V by R. V okay. R value according to equation 1 mv by qb. V cancel. What is the angular frequency formula? qb by m. This is another formula. Equation number 3. Time period formula is 2 pi by omega. Here 2 pi okay. Omega value is qb by m. Finally 2 pi m by qb. Okay, here now. Next frequency is reciprocal of the time period. It will be reverse. Frequency formula is qb by 2 pi m. Look here now. Angular velocity, time period and frequency. These formulas లో ఎక్కడైనా రేడియస్ ఉందా చెక్ చేసుకోండి. అంటే దాని మీనింగ్ angular frequency, time period, frequency does not depends upon the radius nana, only depends upon the specific charge. Specific charge means charge by mass. Once again I repeat, angular frequency, time period, frequency. These three are not depends upon the radius nana. It's only depends upon the specific charge. Specific charge is nothing but the charge by mass. 2D is made of metals because metal is to shield the electrical field and magnetic field. Here neutron is placed. What happens to the neutron? Nana, cyclotron is not working for the neutrons because neutron is a chargeless particle. Chargeless particle means force formula is Q V B sin theta. Here Q is 0. Force acting on the neutron becomes 0. That's why here neutron is placed between the two D's of cyclotron. Here not move the neutron because cyclotron is not working for chargeless particles like neutron. Okay, cyclotron is working for only charged particles.